We have finally reached the place. A lot of people are here. A lot of vehicle parking. This is a waterfall. Oh, some people are bathing, swimming. These are the team that will have reached this place, and they are giving some instruction to be followed. Your journey, how is the trip? Wonderful trip. Wonderful trip. Oh, thank you. A good comment. Okay. It's good. There are some guys that they have prepared the barbecue.
The highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, walk across the world.
Okay, there are some dancers here who are trying to perform afterward. Pretty girls are around here, so you can contact me if you want. So here is one of my best friends. Okay, yeah, that's Naga, right? This is the place where. Okay, thank you. Hello, bro. How is the taste?
But it's almost like you lost your way. Took a few wrong turns, took a few breaks, falling behind now, looking for grace.
What do you say about this barbecue? It's wonderful. It's wonderful. Good comment. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. They are really enjoying the barbecue. How is the dance, my friend? Good. Yeah, my friend is dancing. Yeah, a nice move. Oh wow, it's wonderful. We're having a good time in this Barak River. Oh, it's a wonderful place.
When you move your body, you know move it nice and sweet and sassy. Alright? Woman in clothes and you don't need no makeup. Original.
So here are some people who are trying to build the tent. They came today and they may settle for 3-4 days. So they have begin the tent. We could also see that some guys are camping here. And so here are some guys witnessing the water, the coldness of this water. swimming around. Oh, it's so deep. Okay. Oh, they are well-trained people and learned people. See how they swim. Backstroke. Now we have come an important time. That is, we have lunch. Here are the people getting ready for lunch. The food is prepared from there. And so some are already started and some are yet to be. Đúng rồi, hãy người. Này mà tính nè. They are witnessing the important time. Hello, bro. How's the lunch? How's the meat?
Nice, bro.
Huh?
Delicious.
Hey, look, man, bro.
Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. They're having a good time. Oh, hello, girls. Hello, pretty girls. How is the food? Very good. Okay, thank you for your good comment. Hello, miss.
Welcome to this general.
Oh. Thank you for the meat. Hello.
Hi.
How's the food?
Amazing.
Oh, you have special things. Lemon, pork, beef, salad. What? Oh, look at them. They're having a special time. These are the members of the CYO. So they have come to witness this, the Barak River. So they have come with a great number. So these are the people. We really had a good time. Just now we had finished our lunch. And some are still taking the time. So most of them they have finished. Some are roaming around. And now we are about to leave. We have enjoyed the place, enjoyed the time, and so we have done everything what we are supposed to do. And here, for all those who have witnesses, the place, the time. Hello, bro. May I just ask you one question? How do you feel when you come here, this bikini spot? So
It's a very clean and hygienic place.
Okay, good comment.
Actually, a very wonderful, adventurous journey.
Okay, thank you.
We spent a lot. We spent till to the extent, and we are so grateful to be here with our friends. I mean, the CYO members. Yeah, it is.
Okay, thank you, bro, for your good comment. Thumbs up for you. Okay, thank you. Have a good time, okay? We had spent the time wisely, meaningfully. And hello, bro.
Yes, bro.
May I ask one question?
Yes.
How do you feel about this place?
It was a very great day. The picnic spot was perfect. I really enjoyed it.
Oh, okay. So we have come to an end. So everyone are about to leave now.